Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulwa TV Tech. Today I am going to share with you a tip of how to easily download the YouTube videos. I'm giving you this tip because so many times I have friends who come to me to ask for how they can download the YouTube videos, and some of the ways have really been so complicated that you end up giving up. But this is one way that you can really easily download YouTube video with just a click. You don't need to hustle, you don't need to struggle. So I felt it's very important that I share this trick with you so that you don't struggle anymore if you want to download any YouTube videos. And to do this, we are going to use a software that you will download and install in your PC. But please make sure you follow this video up to the last part, because if you skip it, you'll really miss some of the important aspects of this bit that I really want to show you. So it's a tip that will really improve or soften or make it easier for you to get those videos that you love to watch from YouTube, but because you didn't know perhaps the right way, or you have been struggling to get it from other third-party libraries, but now today you'll start doing it the simplest way. So what we're going to do is you first need to download the Internet Download Manager. So you can just open your Google, you search for internetdownloadmanager.com, then it will give you this interface that you are seeing. You can actually buy this software. They normally give a 30 days free trial. You can use it for 30 days, and that will be free. They will not charge you anything. Then after 30 days, they will ask you to buy. You can see their website here with some videos of how you can install, how you can download, how you can do all these things. So the link for downloading is here. As you can see here, when you click on this download Internet Manager, it will download. As you can see, mine has downloaded, but you can just tap there on the download and you download it, and then you come to the folder where your downloads normally go. So from here you right click and run it as a demonstrator. So you just run this as a demonstrator, then you give it permission to make changes to your PC. That's always the drill when you're installing softwares. So we allow it to install. Here you just click OK. You click OK. This is actually one-time hassle, because after installing this software, you really enjoy downloading. You accept the terms. You just follow along from here. You see what I am doing. You click next. And then next. So wait for it to install, and we go to configuration. So here you can click on finish. After clicking on finish, and then from here it is asking you to enable the extension in Google Chrome. Because I've been using it before, I just uninstalled it because I wanted to show you. So I'm going to enable the extensions here. Just click by clicking on the enable extension. So it brings me to this page, which I really don't understand, but it is just giving us instruction of how we can configure it so that it can work so well. So I'm going to open YouTube. So we open YouTube. Actually, if you see my YouTube, the first videos Akpan and Oduma, these are my best comedians on YouTube. I watch them. They're from Nigeria, Matches. I'm from Uganda, but I love their comedy. However, if you see here, this video does not have the download manager thumbnail. For mostly once you have installed it, it will show here. So let's first go to the extension. Go to the extensions, and then we click on manage extensions. You can click on manage extensions. So now you see the extensions that you have installed in your Google Chrome here. Let's go to the details. So from these details, when you scroll down from here, you can allow these things. You need to enable these functionalities so that it will start displaying on the video. Once you have enabled this, you can refresh your YouTube, and when you click on one video, you see now it is already active. You can just tap on it. You can open the video, and then you can just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will generate these different qualities of the video that you want to download. So you can choose the quality that you want to download, and trust me, it will start downloading. Here you just click on start, and then you can start downloading this video, which is really so easy. So this is it, and it's already downloading here. Pretty simple. All you need is just to download the internet downloading manager, and then you go to the extensions, you come to the details, and then you enable these settings. Once these settings are enabled, you will start downloading your YouTube videos without any hassle. So this is our software. So when you go to manage extension when you go to manage extensions, you just enable you can pin it to toolbar, and then allow in Ignito, allow access to file URL. So this will enable you to start downloading your videos without any problems. As you can see here, the video is downloading. So this is pretty it. This is how you can download your YouTube videos without any hassle. And trust me, this I think is one of the easiest and quickest, and this software is really fast. You can see how fast it is to display for you the file size, the download, then the transfer rate, the time left, and the resume capabilities. You can pause, you can resume, you can cancel, and much more. And you can see how fast this thing is downloading. Trust me, if you were to download this video using the normal browser download, it will not be as fast as this. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech for more of such videos.